Welcome to Blue Coat's Training Knowledge Asset series. This knowledge asset shows you how to configure the Blue Coat Auth connector as the identity provider for SAML authentication. Let's begin by navigating to the Service mode. Navigate to the Authentication tab. Click the Add Auth Connector button. You're going to add the name for your auth connector. For this guided configuration demo, let's call it cloud_training_SAML. Provide a password, and in the comment field, let's enter that this is our primary auth connector. Before you click Save, remember to copy and paste your unique auth connector name below. I highlighted it here and click Copy and click Save. Now that Auth connector has been added to the customer portal, the next thing to do is to download the installer and to choose to save it locally. Click Open in Folder and right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. The installation wizard starts. Accept the default location. Click Next. Enter your username and password. Click Next. This is where you enter your unique customer portal username and the auth connector password. Click Next. Change the setting to Yes to allow identification configuration via SAML. Click Next. Select the checkbox to allow port 80. Click Next. To generate the required self-signed cert, select Yes and click Next. When the installation completes, the Auth connector generates the certificate and places it in the C Programs and Files folder. For this one, we're not going to use a firewall VPN access method, so leave it at No and click Next, and then click Install. Click Finish. Navigate back to the customer portal to enable Captive Portal. Here the checkbox is enabled. I'll go down here to add a domain. I'm going to add the domain at noemail.com. Click Add. It's added here on the bottom. Now I'm going to make my auth connector the primary. And now you have completed synchronizing Auth connector with Active Directory on the customer portal. To watch additional Blue Coat training videos, go to YouTube, select Browse Channels, enter Blue Coat, and just select the Blue Coat channel. For more in-depth computer-based training videos, go to bluecoat.com and select Support. Click on the Blue Touch Online link. In the Blue Touch Online portal, navigate down to the Training and Forums section. Click Training. Here you'll find training services for additional webcasts, virtual classrooms, certifications, and computer-based training. Just click the link.
Welcome to Blue Coat Computer-Based Training.
Now let's navigate back to the forums. On Blue Touch Online, you can have forums. You can also access the training videos here. Find the video you want. This one is a computer-based training on mobile device security. I'm going to click it. It provides a overview of this video. At the very bottom, click it to launch it. Welcome to Blue Coat's computer-based training. Thank you for watching. This concludes the training knowledge asset on cloud service web security services. For additional questions or comments regarding this course, contact us at training.books@bluecoat.com.